Hello everyone, today I am going to share the recipe with you is capsicum rice. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of channa dal, 1 tablespoon of urad dal, roast it. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, add 4 Kashmiri red chilli and 4 spicy red chilli. Roast it well till the aroma comes. Now add little tamrind, again roast it. Now add half a cup of grated coconut, mix gently, turn off the stove. Let it cool for some time, later we will transfer it to a jar. Now close the lid, make a coarse powder like this, need not make it a fine powder, it should be like this. Take a kadai, add 4 tablespoons of oil. When oil is heated, add mustard seed, let it pop up. Now add 1 cup of chopped capsicum. Fry little. Add little hing, acidifolia. Mix it well. Now add little salt. You can adjust the salt. Mix everything well. Now add little turmeric powder. Now add the ground powder, 2 tablespoons. Mix it everything well. Now add 1 bowl of cooked rice. Mix it nicely. Now again add 2 tablespoons of powder, and you can adjust your spicy and salt according to your taste. You can add, mix everything well. Now delicious capsicum is ready. You can see, you can garnish with the coriander leaves. Yes. Now you can transfer into a serving bowl. Now delicious capsicum is ready, rice is ready to serve hot. Thanks for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.